Institut québécois de planification financière. The Institut québécois de planification financière, IQPF, is a not-for-profit organization that awards the financial planner, F.Pl, diploma in Quebec, Canada, and administers the Autorité des marchés financiers, AMFS regulation relating to the professional continuous training of its graduates. In addition, the IQPF develops and delivers professional development activities for financial planners. Financial planners must accumulate professional development units in 3 categories. Regulation of financial planners. In Quebec, under the Article 57 of the Loi sur la distribution des produits et services financiers, Act respecting the distribution of financial products and services, only a person holding a diploma in financial planning issued by the Institut québécois de planification financière may obtain, from the Autorité des marchés financiers, Quebec, AMF, a certificate authorizing the person to use the title of financial planner. The Chambre de la Sécurité financière, CSF, is responsible for financial planners' ethical obligations since 1998. Financial planners that are members of the Ordre des comptables professionnels Agrees du Québec and the Ordre des administrateurs Agrees du Québec fall under their professional orders regulation, according to an agreement with the AMF. Mission. The mission of the IQPF is to protect the personal finances of the public by training financial planners and establishing standards of professional practice. Professional practice model. The professional practice model for financial planners developed under the IQPF is based on an integrated personal financial planning approach. This approach brings together skills from 7 areas of intervention: estates, finance, insurance and risk management, investment, legal aspects, retirement and taxation. The training activities and reference materials help participants develop their expertise, as well as provide their clients with advice and recommendations. Awards and distinctions. History of the Institute. Notes and references.